Alrighty, so for our area, we're gonna have a cold front push through. It'll cause a drop in the dew points by tomorrow morning. Dew points will be in the 60s, so that'll feel awesome. And the temperatures are supposed to be within the upper 70s, low 80s, mid 70s, low 80s tomorrow. So that's just gonna feel fantastic. It's gonna be about 10 to 20 degrees cooler than it has been this week. So that's just going to be amazing. It feels fantastic. It feels great right now, actually. Definitely a huge difference right now. Feels great. Then in southern Iowa, they have a marginal risk for severe weather down there for high damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rain. Haven't seen too much down there yet. Of course, still got a little bit to go yet, but there really hasn't been that much going on so far. Of course, it was a conditional risk, so nothing too major was expected out of that to begin with. There's some isolated chances, but nothing major, nothing widespread, so probably won't be too much. But obviously, keep an eye on the radar, because you never know. So we're just gonna keep an eye on that and see what happens as the next few hours go. But in the nation, definitely got some areas of severe storms across the country. We got the South getting hit today. Few severe storms down there, and then we got Nebraska and Kansas getting hit by a real big storm with about 70-mile-an-hour winds. Nothing too crazy. Small hail. I know there was one storm producing around an inch and 1.75 inches. For that, it was a decent hail core too on radar. That was a real decent hail core. That was about 1.75 inches. So that's definitely big enough. Definitely, that could definitely cause some minor injuries and some minor damage for sure, at least. And then, as a lot of you guys probably know, we had that big tornado around Weberville, Michigan last night. Definitely caused some very significant damage. And the early estimates from last night were about 155 to 175 mile-an-hour winds. And that's all I'm going to say for now until, more investigating is done and more confidence is gained on that. But that's what we know for sure, what they know and what I found out. That was a big tornado. Cars were found in trees, and there was a roof that collapsed on top of a nursing home, so that's definitely not good. Saw a report of 16 tornadoes between Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio last night, and we had that EF1 in the Cleveland area. I think it was the east side of Cleveland, and then we had that had about, I think it was Kent County, had about 110 mile-an-hour winds. Then we had little EF1s, EF0s, 80, 90 mile-an-hour winds. So definitely some significant winds, but nothing big, thankfully, as far as tornadoes. Just a very tragic night around the Weberville area, and for the entire area in general, because I believe there were between 5 and 15 fatalities, I think, somewhere around there. I'll have to get the exact number for sure tonight and tomorrow, but I think it was at least 5. So definitely tragic, but unfortunately, that's how weather goes, you know. I mean, it's extremely sad. It's very tragic. But that kind of almost goes hand in hand with tornadoes and severe weather. So, but I'm just glad that, you know, we're able to get warnings out as quick as we are these days to help cut down on the potential deaths. You know, that's very key. And but yeah, it's, you know, obviously 5 is definitely still too many, but, you know, not nearly as bad as it could have been. But with that said, that might go up too. I'll check on that again tomorrow, see where we're at with that tomorrow, and just go from there. But thank you very much for watching, everybody. If you guys want more weather updates, or if you want to see some chasing videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the like button. I hope you guys have a great night tonight, or day/night, you know, wherever you're at. Have a great day or night. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.